Hi guys, so this is my phone. This is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It has already been unboxed. You didn't see that part? Well, yeah, this is the phone, this is the camera, so beautiful. I got the white, as you can see, so pretty. Like, I'm glad I got this white, okay. I didn't want to get the natural titanium. Of course, there's fingerprint on it and everything already. So yeah, this is so pretty. So we have the USB-C cable. This is what the iPhone 15 Pro Max uses now. So I'm just going to go ahead to, and yeah, I also got this. This did not come with the iPhone box, so I had to get this separately. This is a 20-watt power adapter. And then I got phone cases. So this is the MagSafe. This is like a colored phone case. You're going to see it when I open it. And then this is the transparent phone case. This comes with a screen protector, the storage case. Not what I was expecting. Oh, okay. I think this is. Oh my god, it feels so good. What? This is beautiful, guys. This is so pretty and it feels so nice. Oh my god. So it's also MagSafe. So yeah. And then we have the adapter, which is still sealed, by the way. This is luxurious. Ooh, wow. Guys. So guys, let's just try this and see. Whoa, it works. I'm going to charge this now. Guys, the volume on this thing is mad, like it's crazy. It's out of my expectations. Okay, let me play this as in this video. Just look at this.
I'm also in a relationship that I feel caged and I don't know what to do.
Can you hear that? How loud that is? That is loud. Then let's go to Spotify.
You should help me through this relationship isn't okay.
Let me play this one. What? Hey! Wow. So this is what you guys are enjoying? And you didn't tell me on time? Oh my god. Let's reduce this. This is pretty. And guys, the camera is the same, but it's showing every single thing on my face. Oh my god. But just see that. Can you guys see that? It's insane. Well, I'm saying it's insane like I don't use the camera. It's not up to a camera, but it's very close. Right? Camera always the camera. But this is good. This is good. This is times 5. And then video, it has the HD, it has the 4K, so this is 4K quality. Let's see what it is. 4K quality. Then you can also see it. Wow. Wow. Let's see that. There you guys see. The quality is good, it's good. So I'll test this camera out later. And guys, I don't know what case to use. If I should use this case or this case right now, like what do you prefer right now? So how does it feel?
This one is heavier. I don't know. I think this one is even bigger. See? Can you see that?
I don't think so. Maybe it's, I don't think so.
Can I remove the? Can I remove the case?
What's how large is your? What's the space?
I think this one is larger.
I think it's the same thing.
It's the same.
Yeah, it's the same.
Yeah. And I think the depth and the height.
Not as
Camera.
That camera is bigger.
Yes, the cameras they're different.
Yeah.
Oh, my own is
Your own is 11, right? 11 what? 11 Pro Max. 12 Pro Max. So you feel oppressed. And my own is lighter. The titanium is lighter. It's like when you carry it, it's not heavy.
It's okay. All I want to do is